So this is my watch list for today. Starting on S&P 500, go to the daily time frame. So still been following my long bias using my monthly anchor VWAP. Price actions above it, so I'm looking for longs. Let's go down to the 15-minute. So we haven't gotten a bullish breaker structure yet. We do have high impact news at 8:30. And typically what I like to do, I like to wait for these news reports to come out so that just in case it does something weird to price action, it could jolt up or jolt down. So I typically like to wait after high impact news and let price readjust itself and to see if I still have an entry. But on S&P 500, still waiting for price to break Asian range high. I have an alert set and just pretty much waiting on that. Over to US oil, still looking for longs on US oil as well. Using my monthly anchor VWAP for my bias. We're above it. We're also above another previous month's anchor VWAP. But the next main thing that I'm looking at is this previous month's high in December. So it's just, like I said, it's another ceiling that I use just to more or less a reason to be wary around this price. But let's go down to the 15-minute. So we do get a bullish breaker structure from previous day's high, which I like that. We do get a break of the Asian range high going into the London session. I like that. And we also get a retracement to the anchor VWAP that I have set for the day. So more than likely what I'll end up doing is waiting to see what happens after 8:30 high impact news to see if I get an entry. But if not, no muss, no fuss. Go to gold. So looking at gold, we're under this month's monthly anchor VWAP, but we're also under another previous month's anchor VWAP. So I'll be looking to take shorts today. Let's go down to the 15-minute. So break, we get a bearish breaker structure at the Asian range low. We retrace back up to the anchor VWAP that I have set at the beginning of the day. So the main thing that I'll be looking for actively going into the New York session is if we get a break below this London low. I have an alert set. And if price action retraces back to the anchor VWAP, this red line, if it retraces back to this anchor VWAP, giving me a potential position on a 1 minute, but still waiting for price action to do its thing on that. And let's go over to Bitcoin. So again, looking at my monthly anchor VWAP, this green line, price under it. Price action is also under another previous month's anchor VWAP. So it's just an added probability or added confluence onto saying that could be short today. Let's go down to the 15-minute. So on Bitcoin, still waiting for price action to break below this Asian range low. If we get a break from it, I have an alert set if price action actually touches it. And then, like I said before, waiting for price action to retrace back up to this monthly, to the daily anchor VWAP. Price action can get lower and then retrace. And those are the main things that I'm looking for today. So just to recap, looking for potential longs on S&P 500, looking for longs also on US oil, looking for shorts on gold and shorts on Bitcoin. All right, stay tuned. I will be coming out with a trade recap at the end of the day that I'll be posting on YouTube. So just stay tuned.